Malapitan na, nag-uusap kami ng commander eh. Habang nag-uusap, nagbarilan niya. Ang gusto niya, mag-surrender ako, ayaw ko man. Sabi ko, kunin niyo ako rito. Gusto niya. Ngayon, banatan kami. Bago nila, hindi talaga nila ako nalapitan. Kasi lumalaban man ako, kahit pa single-single yung putok ko. Puro naman tama, bulsay naman, kasi ranger na. Bawat putok tama.
If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises. You ain't stopping this, cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking. They watching, cause it's shocking.